Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at another subscription box. This is from Hunt Vault. This is their monthly subscription box, the Hunt Vault Elite, and we're going to take a look at it right now. Okay, so this box can be found at huntvault.com, and it's called Hunt Vault Elite, but there's only one box that they have that I was aware of from their website. And when you subscribe to this, it's $160 a month, or if you do a 12-month, you can get it for $150 a month. And I do believe it was free. It was also had free shipping, I believe. Now the value, according to their website, is typically $200 to $300 per box. So we're going to check it out and we're going to see if that value is actually there. But one thing to note, I've received a regular just black, a regular brown plain box in the mail, and I couldn't tell where it was from. It just had the address, and it had this in it, which is a stealth cam. It's just like a trail game camera, and I didn't know who it was from until this box showed up, and then I looked and the addresses were the same. So this came from Hunt Vault. So apparently this was another item that could not be shipped with this box because this box is actually bulging. So it's definitely packed to the rim with stuff, and we'll see what all they got. And they got some nice little stuffing paper in here. Alright, so right on top they have some Badlands lightweight crew socks. And let's see, these are 68% wool, 30% nylon, 2% spandex, heel and toe cushioning, arch support, top venting. So yeah, these would be good for hiking, backpacking, whatever. Got a three pair pack of hand warmers. These things are really nice, especially if you are like me and you really despise cold weather. Let's see. We got a rope style tree strap, perfect for climbing tree stands. Okay, so we got that. And yeah, it's got a bunch of heavy rope in it, and looks like it has a couple carabiners and some other stuff. And it says the ultimate in convenience to quickly and safely connect to virtually any tree. Simply swing the loop around to the tree, pass the carabiner and the knot through the loop, slide it up snug, clip the carabiner to the tether on your hunter safety system harness. The rope can accommodate most trees and allows for easy 360-degree shooting from nearly any angle. Wow, okay. Cool. Alright, so there you go. Let's see here. We got a LED Lenser H8R headlamp. And let's see, that looks like it's got and it does give you a USB cable, and I'm assuming it gives you it gives you one 18650 lithium ion battery. Where's the lumen output? There we go. Let's see, it's got a low power and a mid power, and then like I guess just a regular high. It does have a red rear light. That's interesting. Transportation lock, which I would assume keeps it from coming on when you don't want it to come on, which is nice. Says it will do on low power, it will do, wow, that's seriously low power. I'm assuming here this is 10 lumens. This is 10 lumens on low power. On mid power it will do 250 lumens, and on high power it'll do 600 lumens. And it says it'll do 600 lumens for 10 hours, and 15 hours at 250 lumens, and 120 hours at 10 lumens. Only weighs 158 grams or 5.6 ounces with the included battery. Don't have any, I don't have any experience with this brand, but it looks nice. We'll have to we'll definitely have to check it out. Oh, let's see. Okay, we got another thing from the same company, LED Lenser. It's a Flex 3 power bank, innovative 6-in-1 system. Let's see, has a fast exchangeable battery. So wait a minute. Is this something that's interchangeable? No, I doubt it. Can you put this in the headlamp? Yes, 18650. Yeah, it is. This thing says it takes one 18650 lithium-ion battery. So yeah, this is something that you can actually use to power that flashlight. And apparently you can also pull from it like a power bank. Let's see, the Flex 3 is more than a power bank. The included rechargeable battery can be safely stored, transported, charged, and capacity tested inside the housing and is removable. So the thought here is that it's basically like a power bank that is also a functional battery itself. So yeah, not bad. What's the milliamp hours on this thing? 3,400 milliamp hours. Says it takes 4 hours to charge, but that is at what? And the max output is 5 volt 1 amp. Max input 5 volt 1 amp. So yeah, there you go. So they give you a headlamp with the included battery plus this thing, which can be used as a battery for that, which we'll have to investigate that a little more and see just how that all works out. And we have an Earthwell, a drinking container. Let's see. That's interesting. What is all this about? Is that a bottle opener? So it's just a vacuum insulated mug. It says it preserves temperatures up to 72 hours iced, 32 hours cold, and 20 hours hot. All right. So yeah, just a vacuum insulated mug. Nothing really remarkable about it, other than this thing on the top, which I'm assuming it's like a can opener, like a bottle opener. It looks wide enough. Could be wrong, but I mean, yeah. What else would it be? What else would it be? Not from Portland, Oregon. I wonder if this is an Antifa bottle. That's a joke, by the way. It says it's BPA and has no BPA. Kitchen grade stainless steel, lifetime warranty. So yeah, a Earthwell is the name of this. It's 32 ounces. Yeah, these things are always a welcome addition, especially ones that you can sleeve, into a side compartment of a backpack or a hiking bag or something. These things are always a welcome, especially ones that really actually do work very well. And that's it. And we got a hat, and that's all that was in the box. So let's check out this hat, and it is a mesh hat, which I cannot stand. So already, I definitely don't like this. For some reason, these mesh hats like that, I don't like them. Just never liked them. It's just my personal taste, man. And yeah, this logo that's on the hat here, is that the... And there's no card or anything, so I don't know where this hat Badlands. Is there something else? Oh, there is something else in here. The socks. Okay, apparently you can see the logo there on this matches said hat. So this is obviously the brand Badlands. So this is obviously their stuff. So let's recap. Let's recap real quick and keep in mind $200 to $300 typical value for your $150 if you're on a 12-month commitment. We got some hand warmers. They're worth a couple bucks. Pair of socks, a couple bucks. This tree harness, there's no telling, probably 20, 30 bucks. The game camera, oh man, I don't have a whole lot of familiarity with the game cameras. But generally, I mean, these trail cams, they're not that expensive. It depends on the quality of this particular camera. And like I said, I don't have no familiarity with this brand. And to me, you know, most places that I would go, I would use this more for security, as a security camera on, you know, say the back of your property or something. Especially if you've noticed, like maybe you think you got people, you know, doing things to your property or whatever. It's a cheap way to have some security. This, which, you know, a really good headlamp can go upwards of $100 or more. So subjective could be mid. So let's see, how much are we at, guys? How much is all this stuff and the battery and the mug? Let's see. You think there's $200 here? 200, $300? That's what they're claiming that you're going to get out of these bags, is about $300, two to $300. So the hat, I don't really have any use for the hat. Yes, mug, cool. Battery, headlamp, the trail cam. Even though I don't currently at this time have a use for the trail cam, I will use it. The socks, the hand warmers, yeah. So this is Hunt Vault. This is their Hunt Vault box, and if you feel patriotic, they say that they are family and veteran owned on the box. Right? Family and veteran owned, yep. All right, so let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And hit subscribe over, I believe it's going to be over here, or it might be over here, the little round deal. And yeah, and we'll see you next time. Peace.